How to delete a business account on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, tap on the arrow down button beside your profile name at the top. Select your business account from here. Once you have switched to this account, tap on Menu at the bottom. Then, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now, go to the search bar and type in Access and Control. Tap on Access and Control. Here, select Delete Page. Then, tap on Continue. From here, select a reason why you're deleting your account. After that, tap on Continue. Once you delete this page, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that this page has shared on Facebook. Tap on Continue again. Now, confirm your page deletion by entering your Facebook password over here. Following these steps, you can easily delete a Facebook business page.